It's Zani Zone. It's Zani Zone. It's Zani Zone. Let's go. It's Zani Zone. We're on the road. Gonna have fun. Let's go. Hit the like button so you can know what's coming. Art is what we're loving. It's Zani Zone. Zani Zone. It's Zani Zone. It's Zani Zone. It's Zani Zone. Zani Zone.
Hey guys, you are with Zani Sattler today. You are back with Zani Zone. And today, I'm going to be doing an art project. Drawing a doghouse and part of the scene of the house and bushes beside the doghouse. And at the end, you can comment down below whatever your name wants to be on the house. Let's go.
All right, here we go, guys. First, we're going to draw. This is going to be for the grass. We're going to draw this a straight line down all the way to the other side. And when we are finished, we could just add a little bit of flowers and uprises. Line. However you want to do it. Alright. Now first, to make the doghouse, first we need a bowl with a bone on it in front of the doghouse. So we're going to make a little small bowl. We're going to make a line like that, medium. We're going to put a curve on each side. Then we're going to go down and go across again. And then we're going to go back up and reach to the other side. Now I can just make that right there. Alright, and next we're going to draw the bone. So next I'm going to draw a line across, diagonal. And then I'm going to draw a big curve, like a circle around. Yes, and then I'm going to put another one to the other side. Yes, and then next I'm going to put it all the way down again, right there. So it's in the bowl. Next, this is where we make the doghouse. So next, I'm going to do this, line up, then curve a little bit, and then I'm going to do that again. And then I'm going to make another line right here, there, and then this is a top. Then I'm going to create like a triangle top. Kind of skinny a little bit. And then I'm going to go back down and do it again. A diagonal line down. Then I'm going to do this, go all the way down again. And then I'm going to create some lines across. There. And I'm going to keep doing that. Start right here and put a bush. It's like curves all over again, going up, 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 down, down. Circle up. Do that again. Do that again. Keep doing it. Then I'm going to go a little diagonal straight. 7 clouds. And that is all. That's how you make the doghouse in the house. Now if you want, you can color when you are finished. Since we are finished, we're gonna color. So you can get your markers, crayons, coloring pencils, whatever you need, because we're gonna color. Alright. So you see I got this. We're always gonna start with the doghouse because that's our whole plan of what we're gonna do. So if you could get the color black. Got black right here, coloring pencil. We're gonna use coloring pencils, that's what best for me. So I got black. And we're gonna start coloring right here. Right here. Excuse me. Alright, now here's also a thing about coloring. When you're coloring, make sure when you're coloring, if you're doing up and down, across, or sideways, stay the way that you're coloring because it will mess up the prettiness, the beautiness of the picture. It will mess up how it should look. As an example, if I was in a competition, it wouldn't look so good because I would be doing a cross, diagonal, and up and down, everywhere. Keep on doing those 3 things. So that's the thing when you're coloring. And I also like to keep my color for what else I need to use it with. So I don't need to go back and keep on getting the colors. And so I'm going to look, see where anywhere I want to make things color black. I don't see anywhere else, so I'm going to put this back where it was. And we're going to be coloring the lines. So you can get whatever color you want. You can get like 2 colors, that's normally what I use. And you can get whatever color you want to just color. Because that's what I do around here. So I'm going to get blue. And I'm going to get reddish and brownish.
Okay, guys, today's scripture is going to be Psalms 46:10. Be still and know that I am God.